Academic and College Planning for High School, Part 2, College Preparation. In this video, I'm going to review over what our college is looking for as students are heading through high school and reviewing over how we as SCA can help the students do what they need to be admitted into the university of their choice. When comparing schools, the question that comes up is, how does SCA match up? How do we help prepare students when it comes to the academics and being able to help them get into college? One of the things that I think is our greatest strength is our community, that we're about the whole student and not just about academics. We care about the student in their spiritual life, their emotional and physical life, as well as their academics. Through our community and through the intimate aspect of who we are as SCA, students are able to really connect and be involved in a lot of different things when it comes to extracurriculars or even within the school academic area, that they are able to really pursue all of the parts that they want to and not just have to specialize in one particular area. In what ways do we show success and evidence of success? First, we have 1 to 2 students that are recognized each year by the National Merit Scholarship Program. That's based on the PSAT, their junior year, and National Merit recognizes the top 1 to 2% of all test takers nationally. As well, each year we have $3 to $4 million in scholarships awarded for our students in the academic area, athletics, and fine arts areas. As well, when you look at the SAT and ACT scores, we consistently are above the local, state, and national averages. On this slide, you see a brief sampling of the different universities that our students have attended, and you can see from this list, there's everything from a really highly selective university such as Claremont McKenna to other universities that aren't maybe as selective, that are more local in nature. And I think what it really reflects is our students finding that right fit. A highly selective university for some students is not the right fit. A local school, NAU, U of A, ASU might not be the right fit for other students. And so what I want you to really see as you look over the variety of this list is that there are lots of different types of schools because we have lots of different types of students. So how do we prepare our families for colleges? How do we prepare our students? One, we try to make it a very step-by-step systematic approach to academic and college advisement. First, we'll start with a 4-year planning process. And there's actually another video I've already made that will explain that process to you. We also offer a variety of different classes, from honors courses to advanced placement to dual enrollment courses. In general, we have 10 AP courses that students can take throughout their 4 years, 9 honors courses, and a total of 34 college credits or potential for a student to earn through dual enrollment. Beyond the various courses that we offer, we also provide individual college and career planning. We do that through one-on-one meetings, through classroom and small group presentations, through hosting college reps on campus, as well as we are getting ready to implement a new program called Naviance. Naviance is a comprehensive college and career program that will utilize a lot of different resources, including inventories such as career inventories, learning personalities, personality inventories, all sorts of things. As well, it provides a communication tool that you as a parent would have, as well as the student would have. And then the third portion is as the counselor that I would have, and so it creates a platform for great communication. We also help prepare our students for the college entrance exams, one by offering the PSAT in grades 8 through 11. We are also an SAT and ACT test center, meaning students can take the actual SAT and ACT here at SCA. Through the Naviance program, another portion that we've added is a part that's called Prep Me, which is basically a free ACT and SAT prep that you would have access through Naviance. And then our teachers do a very nice job of integrating preparation in the course curriculum. Lastly, we know that you as parents want help and desire to be educated through the process, and so we offer different parent nights, publications, and individual meetings to help you understand the process so that you can better partner with your student. The next area I want to touch on is extracurricular opportunities. First and foremost, I am a firm believer that extracurricular opportunities really can grow a student as an individual. It's a place where they usually find their community, they find peers that are like-minded, and really can grow as an individual and explore some of their passions and areas of interest. We build in a few of those extracurricular opportunities, such as community service and mission trips, which are both required, but it allows the student to be serving outside of themselves and really is an enriching part of the SCA experience. Other areas that students can plug into extracurricularly is fine arts, athletics, clubs and organizations here on campus, as well as off campus. All of those are items and areas in which they can start building their activity resumes that would go into applying for colleges. The last portion of material that I'm going to cover for this particular video is to go over the diploma options. With both the University Preparatory Diploma as well as the Honors Diploma, the way that they are created and set up will meet most requirements for most four-year universities. I say most because every university is slightly different, and I would highly encourage you to begin even now the research process of what would those universities that your student might be interested or that you might be interested in for your student require. When we look over those criteria that are needed for the diplomas here at SCA, each student would need to take 4 credits of Bible, 4 credits of English, 4 credits of math, and actually I want to clarify that that's a math each year that they're in high school. So if they've carried over some credits from middle school, they would still be expected to take a math each year that they're in high school. 3 credits of a lab science, 3 credits of history, 2 credits of the same world language, 1 credit of PE, 1 credit of fine arts, 1 credit of computers, and a half a credit of speech. For the honors diploma, they would be required to have 4 credits of science or 4 credits of history based on just their passion or what they're interested in, or maybe what their majors are looking at, or even what universities they might be looking at as a senior. That might help them decide whether they end up going with the 4 credits of science or 4 credits of history. They would also need 3 credits of the same world language, 3 honors classes with a B or better, and graduate with a cumulative GPA of a 3.5. When you're talking a 3.5, that's basically an A- B+ range. A- is equal to a 3.7, and a B+ is a 3.3, so somewhere in there. Again, both of these diploma options set them up for most four-year universities. The honors diploma allows them and helps them shoot for maybe a more selective kind of university. But all in all, it's really about the combination of courses. So even if a student doesn't necessarily meet every requirement that's set out by the honors diploma, or goes to the university prep diploma and adds in some honors classes or not, they can kind of build it how they want in regards to maybe the goals that they're setting for themselves. So overall, it's a strong preparatory course load regardless whether university prep or honors diploma. The decision between the two would be something that we would talk about in the 4-year planning process, which I would encourage you to listen to the video that I've done for the 3rd part of this series, which is the 4-year planning process. As I've covered a lot of different information, but I haven't gone in depth with some, I wanted to just point out where on our website there is some more information with a comprehensive list of universities attended, accepted, average SAT and ACT scores, and more specific information about course and curricular information. If you go to the SCA website, go to the high school tab, I think it's the 3rd or 4th one down, you'll see high school preview and overview. On that screen, you'll see the course description book, you'll see a link for the high school profile, a link for ACT and SAT scores, a link for the comprehensive list of universities attended and accepted. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email is jgraden, Graden, @scamail.org. Thank you.